What a world back in here with this new guitar, trying to initiate it, get it up to par, up to our part, our part. Our part ain't, no, y'all don't know about that. Told her, if you gonna be around here, you gonna have to loosen up, loosen the strings that the motherfucker broke. I've been restringing that thing. And the old guitar, me and the old guitar been trying to get it up to par, our part. Y'all know about that. That's the old one. That's the old one. That's the OG right there. Now we're gonna see if the new one learned anything from that. I think still got some learning to do. Still got some learning to do. Let's try again. No. No. Uh-oh. Sounding better now. Uh-oh. No. You. Okay, you're not gonna get that one. Close enough. That's close enough. That's close enough. We're gonna have to figure it out though. We're gonna keep trying. We're gonna keep trying. Peace.